Welcome to Trilok Baba YouTube channel. My name is Mohit Trilok. I'll be your instructor today. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon to get a latest videos notification. So today we are going to discuss about a overview of MS Office. In the last video, we discussed about what is the importance of MS Office, what actually we do with the MS Office. Today we are going to do each and every application, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Individually, we are going to discuss. So what is the purpose of each application? So without wasting the time, let's get into the video. So today we are going to discuss about what is Excel, Word and PowerPoint. These three applications individually we are going to discuss. So what are their characteristics and why do we use those applications? So as you know, we called MS Office is an application based program because it is developed based on a specific function. When I say a specific function, Excel is having a specific function, Word is having a specific function and PowerPoint is having a specific function. So today we'll discuss about what are those specific functions. First thing is Excel. So as you know, Excel is widely used in the organization and industries. And why do you use Excel? Excel is a basic application they use for running their business. The first thing is, what do they do in Excel? How actually it looks like an Excel. Excel contains rows and columns where you insert your data in a tabular format so you can create your data in reports. The basic function of Excel is to create a reports or to analyze a report. There are a lot of functions we do. So I have listed out all those things. So one of the best use of MS Excel is that we can analyze large amount of data to discover trends, because when you're having a small amount of data, you can do it manually. But when you're having a big data, it is very difficult to do manually. We need some systems to do that job. So that's why we have Excel to do that job. So what are the jobs Excel can do? First one is preparing reports, analyzing big data, creating formulas and functions, and summarizing reports, financial analysis, accounting management, data visualization, and creating charts and graphs. These are the major jobs Excel can do it for you. You just have to give the steps and Excel do it as it is, like it creates the reports, it analyzes the reports, you can create the formulas out there, you can calculate anything, and you can summarize the reports. And basically this Excel is common for all the respective specializations. If you take HR, you have to use this Excel. If you take systems, you have to use Excel. Excel, I can say that is like a basic function which you have to learn. So these are the things you can do in Excel. So next application what we have is MS. Before that, let me tell you what you can do here. So these are the different kinds of reports you can prepare on Excel. So see, there are different kinds of report. Line chart is there, bar chart is there, scatter chart is there, pie chart is there. Different kinds of charts you can prepare by using Excel only. There are different applications out there where you can generate this kind of report, but Excel is a basic application to create reports or to generate the reports and to deal with the big data. In the next video and the next application we are going to discuss about MS Word. So as you know, Word is used for the documentation purpose. If you want to prepare any documentation, you should have a skill of Word, how to deal with the Word and how to use that Word. What are the different tools we have to prepare a documentation? So we'll see what are the things we can do in Word. So first, it helps in preparing It helps in preparing resumes, summaries, brochures, letters, applications, forms, templates, business cards, calendars, reports, ebooks, and newsletter. There are many things you could do in Word, but I'm going to list out for each. For example, if you are at work, you are going to use MS Word to prepare letterheads, invoices, receipts, and calendars, memos, letters, newsletters, and resumes. So basically, MS Word, everyone use it for preparing the resumes here. You can prepare the resumes if you're having a good knowledge about a Word and how to use the tools to prepare your resumes. You can do a lot of things in MS Word, and MS Word is particularly used for a specific function. The specific function is documentation. And the next purpose is MS Word at education purpose. As you know, so if you are working in an educational institutions, you use this MS Word to prepare your lesson parts, you prepare your documentation, you prepare your policies, procedures, student list. So you do a lot of things. You can teach the students by using this MS Word. So what we can do? Daily use in MS Word. In MS Word, you can prepare your invitation card or visiting card. Also, you can prepare a basic invitation card. You can prepare memos and forms. I'll show you how you can prepare memos and forms, how it looks like. So these are the things you could do in MS Word. MS Word at work, MS Word for education purpose, and daily use of the MS Word and memos and forms. These are the things you could do in MS Word. So this is what you can prepare. You can prepare resumes, you can prepare forms. So you can see here, this is a resume and this is a form. And here we have a visiting card also we can prepare, and we can prepare a policies and procedure. So these are the things we can do in MS Word. And the next application, we have a very beautiful application which I like it very much. The next application is PowerPoint. So we like it very much because PowerPoint contains an animation. So PowerPoint is used for presenting your data, or presenting your ideas, or presenting your concepts or concerns. So what are the things we could do in PowerPoint, and we are going to list out those. First thing is, it helps you in preparing professional presentation, and second, presenting ideas and providing trainings and creating animation, adding music. You can add photos and videos, and you can apply sound effects, and you can animate your slides. It gives them a greater visual impact. So these are the things you could do in MS PowerPoint. It basically helps you in presenting your ideas in a professional way. For example, if you're in an organization, you want to present your ideas to your higher level management, you use this PowerPoint to present your ideas. You can put all your ideas in PowerPoint, you can present it, because it gives a beautiful, that's why I mentioned the last line, it gives a greater visual impact. And for example, if you want to create some informal videos, like you can add some photos and music, and you can create some small a video you can prepare it. So these are the things we could do. So I'm going to show you what are the things you could do here. You can present your ideas to your higher level management, and you can add music, and you can create animation, and you can present your you can give trainings to the people, and you can do a lot of things with the help of this PowerPoint, and you can add some videos. And the last thing is, which is the last beautiful thing, which everyone like it, because it is very difficult to learn, but once you learn, you can have this. That skill name is shortcuts. Shortcut plays a crucial role in Word, Excel, PowerPoint. It gives you a quick skill to finish your job. It makes you smart. It makes you to finish your job within a few seconds if you know the shortcuts of MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint. It helps you to complete your job within a small time. Right? So this shortcuts also we are going to discuss on each and every tool and each and every applications. And the next thing is, we have in the next video we are going to discuss about a Word. Under Word, what are the concepts we have? Under Excel, what are the concepts we have? Under PowerPoint, we are going to have a lot of videos on these three applications. So till then, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get videos on latest notification. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being a part of this video. Thanks a lot.